Make a great choice today with the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive. Come see the car for yourself.